Many people believe that endless hustle and constant digital stimulation are the keys to success. But the sources reveal that what we often label as laziness is actually essential for mental clarity. Today, we are going to explore 5 counterintuitive, seemingly lazy habits that genuinely train your brain to become sharper, calmer, and more focused. Habit 1. Doing absolutely nothing, embracing boredom. Modern life treats boredom like an emergency, where waiting in line or sitting quietly immediately triggers us to grab our phones. However, the sources explain that boredom is actually healthy and necessary for the brain. When you sit quietly without any digital input, your brain finally gets the empty space it needs to process information and connect ideas. Letting your mind wander without external stimulation activates deeper thinking, which is why many of our best creative insights happen during quiet moments when the stimulation stops. Habit 2. Sleeping extensively. Hustle culture often glorifies sleep deprivation as a badge of hard work, but the sources emphasize that a tired brain cannot become a strong mind. Instead of viewing long sleep as a waste of time, you should understand that sleep is vital maintenance for your brain. During sleep, your brain clears out metabolic waste, repairs neural pathways, and organizes memories. When you skimp on rest, you damage your impulse control, emotional intelligence, and focus, leading many to believe they are unmotivated when they are genuinely just mentally exhausted. Habit 3. Taking unplugged walks. Taking a leisurely walk outside without listening to a podcast or checking your phone might look like you are just killing time, but it strongly influences your cognitive performance. The sources note that your human brain responds deeply to the natural environment, and even a 20-minute daily walk can drastically improve blood flow and reduce mental fatigue. Furthermore, getting early exposure to natural light resets your circadian rhythm, which directly improves your serotonin levels, mood, and overall energy for the day. Habit 4. Single tasking. Most people multitask continuously, believing it saves time and makes them highly productive. But the sources consistently show that rapid task switching actually reduces your performance and increases cognitive fatigue. Focusing on just one thing at a time, like simply eating a meal without watching a video, or doing work without checking tabs, might feel agonizingly slow and unproductive at first. However, this single-tasking approach prevents the shallow thinking caused by fragmented attention and helps your brain rebuild its capacity for deep focus. Habit 5. Scaling down your effort. It sounds entirely counterintuitive, but quitting a task early to protect your routine is highly effective for long-term consistency. The sources explain that extreme productivity routines or massive workouts usually lead to burnout after a few days. Instead of demanding perfection from yourself, scaling down to just 15 minutes of work or a short exercise session keeps the habit alive. By prioritizing small, sustainable actions over intense effort, you build the kind of unbreakable consistency that genuinely changes your identity and rewires your brain over time. In conclusion, the sources make it clear that your brain requires recovery to function at its highest level. Rest is not laziness. It is a fundamental requirement for improving brain performance, problem solving, and emotional control. If you found this information helpful, take a moment to implement just one of these habits today, because small repeated actions are what truly reshape your brain over time.